I'm back on apprentice work. I have 6 of these to steady band for boring. I haven't worked this lathe before, so I need about 20 seconds to learn what's what on it. Chuck. That must be the feed. 1. 2. Well, isn't that typical? Last one, I've had to go -10th out for it to clean up. I'll turn it around and do the other end. That's better. All 6 at the same size now. Like being 16 again doing these. And they've fetched me some more. Oh well. This is the last one of 20 pieces. Using the 3-jaw chuck, what I adapted to taking the tailstock instead of centering them all by hand. This is the first longish job I've turned on here, but I don't know if it's got any taper on it or not. It's not a DSG lathe, which stands for delightful, sexy, gorgeous lathe. It's a toss, which, if you're British, you'll know that has another meaning. So I'm going to turn this end, turn it round and turn away from choke like I do. Size it this end first and turn it round. There are 2 of these to do, so rather than resetting the chuck jaws, I'll do the same with this one. I've left 3mm for the finished cut. I'm just checking this one, see if it tapers. This hasn't cleaned up yet, but there's 3mm to come off, so I'm sure it will. One thing to mention, make sure the tool leaves the job and doesn't hit the tailstock. That tapered 0.08 of an inch smaller for the tailstock, but it did have an intermittent cut, and this job is +1mm, so that's acceptable. Finished cut. That's cleaning up okay. got it out. While I'm turning this, you must have seen a guy on YouTube, Chris Madge, I think his name, or Marge. He uses these CNMG and never seems to have any trouble with them, but I've seen many times problems with these because of the cutting angle. Any backlash they want to pull into the job. For me, they're the worst tool ever to turn with. Facing, to face the job, that's about it, that's all they're good for. But he's a better turner than me, and he knows what he's doing. That ended up with a 6/0 taper small at the tailstock, so not too bad. But it's not a Dean Smith and Grace. That's those two done. That was 4145H modified. Got these two to do now. 174pH. Same feed and speed. Exactly the same routine as others. I've got these skinny tubes that need boring. 115mm diameter, 74mm hole in them already. Needs opening up to 82.5mm less honing allowance. I need to turn the steady band on to run not steady, to rough on outside diameter. I'm going to use this boring bar, what I made. It's just that it was a turning tool. I cut down and welded onto a piece of steel. Do that, turn steady bands on them, both ends, join bore them, and then run them on this steady, what I made years ago. So let me turn steady bands on them first. Small jobs are ideal for a small lathe. Dean Smith and Grace, best small lathes in the world in my opinion. English, of course. Minimum clean up with the bands. Just go one side, turn it round to the other side. Just set to 0. Time to put the steady support on the boring bar. This boring bar held out 11 inches. Certainly I'm going to get some chatter, but I'm not bothered about that while I'm roughing it out. I'll just slow the revs down and increase the feed for the last 20th hour or so. 5/10 cut to cut 10/10. I slowed it down from 135 to 70 revs a minute. It took the chatter out of the tool. The finish will still be rubbish, but good enough for owning. Actually, that didn't turn out too bad. It's minus between 25 and 23 thousandths of an inch, which is perfect for owning. Get other one done now.